Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious basil vinaigrette using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil, and 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. Don't forget a small garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of honey for balance. Salt and pepper to taste will finish it off perfectly. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the basil, olive oil, white wine vinegar, garlic, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper into your blender. Begin blending on a low setting to incorporate everything, then increase the speed to high. Continue processing for about 30 to 60 seconds until the vinaigrette is beautifully smooth and creamy with no visible basil pieces. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. And on another note, while you're making your kitchen smell amazing with basil, don't forget your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once blended, it's crucial to taste your vinaigrette. This is where you can truly make it your own. If it needs more zing, add a splash more white wine vinegar. For a sweeter profile, a tiny bit more honey works wonders. And of course, adjust the salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's seasoned perfectly to your liking. Remember, a well-balanced vinaigrette elevates any dish. After perfecting the flavor, transfer your homemade basil vinaigrette into an airtight jar or container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days, making it a fantastic make-ahead option. Before each use, give it a good shake to re-emulsify. This vibrant dressing is perfect for green salads, roasted vegetables, or even as a marinade for chicken or fish. Enjoy your fresh creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.